Hello Team Cromwell. Guys, today I'm really excited because I know you guys would be excited about this. I am going to do a full face first impressions of Miniso makeup. Let's start with the foundation. I bought this mini pony Miniso perfect drop blurring foundation. This is in the number 3. The shade range for the foundation and the BB cream is very sad. There's only 3 shades available. That being said, the number 3 apparently is the darkest, and according to me, even this is light for me. So we're gonna try this out. This retails for about 490 rupees. I purchased this one from the Connaught Place branch, and I got most of the makeup from there, although they didn't really have a mascara in normal black, so I had to purchase that from, I think, South Extension part. But this is what it looks like. This packaging seems very sturdy. It's very chic. I kind of like it. It comes in a glass bottle with a dropper. Let me just sniff it because, oh my god, this smells straight up like alcohol. I'm going to apply a very thick moisturizer. Just wait a second. I don't want to burn my skin off. So I also purchased the powder puff, but since this is a very liquidy foundation, I don't really want to use this with a powder puff because I know it's going to absorb most of it. I'm going to use the foundation on half of my face with my hand, and on the other side I'm going to use it with the powder puff. The sponge has become a bit bigger than it was before, but I feel like it's not as soft as the sponges that I'm used to. Also, this is like it's very tough, but for 190 rupees it's okay. So let me just drop. Oh my god, this is so white. It feels like, let me just take a little bit first. Can you guys see? Let me just no, dropped on my shirt. This feels like it's just silicone and a lot of alcohol. Oh my god, it smells. I don't think you guys should be putting this on your face. No offense, but seriously, I don't think you guys should be putting this on your face. So this sort of foundation, they're not really supposed to be used because with the sponge, because the sponge just soaks up most of the foundation. So let's just try to apply a lot of the foundation and then see. Oh, the smell of alcohol. So bad, guys. This smells so dank. I like the shape of this, not gonna lie. It is kind of nice. Oh, I didn't want this to go to my eye. Thank God. Okay, so this side is kind of harder to use. So guys, I just saw myself in the mirror and I feel like it looks worse on camera than it does in real life. In real life, it looks very natural. You can't really tell that I have foundation on, and it's matched my skin very well. Although on camera it kind of looks, not kind of, it looks creepy. Waterproof eyeliner. This is the Miniso High Pigmented Easy and Smooth Application Waterproof Eyeline Beautiful and Defined 24-hour eyeliner. Retails for about 190 rupees, and you just, oh, never mind. Oh my god, it's like super black, guys. It's like jet black. It's very shiny. Let's see how well it dries. I like the nib too. It's very precise. It's a little thick, but that's okay, we can manage it. I feel like you can definitely make thinner lines with this nib. A couple of places it is actually watering down a little bit, but I feel like it's quite black. Let's try to wing it out. Okay, so I feel like I really like the eyeliner, but I also feel like my eyes have started to water. I couldn't really get a very precise application, but I think if you just want to do a regular application, this is a good enough eyeliner. I'll definitely do updates if this actually stays on my eyes for 24 hours or not. It's very glossy, it's very black, and for 190 rupees I like it. But again, because my eyes have started to water, I don't really know the ingredients list. I kind of got a little too excited about the eyeliner and I forgot that I have an eyeshadow pen, an eyeshadow crayon. Eyeshadow pencil with brush. It's waterproof, long-lasting formula, highly pigmented shade. And this says that it has a brush in it. So I'm kind of... Ooh. Oh my god, guys. Oh, so pretty. It's a really pretty color for the price that you pay. Also, I think if you apply it all over your eyelid, it will be a really beautiful shade. And if you're the sort of person that doesn't really care about eyeshadows, you just want to have like one eyeshadow that you apply and just like, you know, blend with your fingers and be good to go. This is nice. Very light. Is not super pigmented, but the colors are quite nice. We have the Miniso long lasting eyebrow pencil. This one is in brown. Okay, so one side is the tiny twist up pencil, and on the other side there's a powder. So ooh, this is like super pigmented though. I think I should have gotten the black. In this, the brown is clearly visible. I didn't think that this was going to be such a reddish brown. I thought it was, you know, it would go well with my eyes, eyebrow, but you guys can clearly tell this is like a brown. Like it's a very reddish brown. Try the powder. I feel like the powder as well is like quite stuck. If you have very reddish brunette hair, then this would look nice. On me, it kind of looks stupid. I thought the black might be a little too overpowering, so that's why I picked the brown one. But I like it. Both the pencil as well as the powder are quite pigmented. If you like a sort of eyebrow product that has the powder and the pencil, this is pretty okay. It's very nice. It's quite pigmented. Start with the mascara. This is a Queen's Collection mascara. I bought this one because the mini pony one did not have basic black colors. This is the dual end mascara. It retails for about 390 rupees. One side is the mascara one for your upper eyelash. Oh. And the other side is the mascara for, I think, your lower lashes. Guys, this also smells like alcohol. Kind of concerned. But I love the wand though. This tiny wand for my lower lashes is everything. I feel like it definitely did lift my eyes, but I feel like it did not voluminize the eyelashes even one bit. It just feels like it just lengthened it, and it's basically made sure that it gets stuck there. So I do like the fact it is giving me like an open eye effect, but I think I like the lower eyelash brush way more than any of the effect that this is giving me. The last two things that we have today is a lip liner and a lip lacquer. The Miniso lip liner retails for about 190 rupees. This is in the shade Honey Red. Oh, it's a pretty color. I really, when I was swatching these in Miniso, I was just so confused. And Miniso is always so crowded that it's so overwhelming. Ooh. It smells like burnt rubber. You know when you get like new shoes? I like it because it's smooth. It is a little pigmented. I don't know what's up with the smell, guys. I don't know, I'm so confused. There's no ingredients also on this. So the last product that we're left with is something that I've already tried and I really like. I will already recommend this to you. Is the Mini Pony Super Silky Lip Lacquer. This is not a matte lipstick, guys. This is just a very nice smooth texture, like a lip gloss, but it's not sticky. This I like because of the color that I got. This is the color 06. It's called Pale Rose. Basically a super silky lip lacquer. It's not supposed to be matte. It's just like your regular liquid lipstick, but it's not really a matte lipstick. It does not dry down matte. It's not waterproof. It's not water resistant. It's gonna transfer everywhere. It's just your basic lipstick. And the smell of alcohol still persists. So this is the final look. I actually like a couple of products. I'm still going to have this makeup on my face throughout today, and by night time I'll keep on updating you guys what exactly is happening, specifically for the eyeliner, because they've said that the eyeliner is for 24 hours. I'm going to try to show you guys how exactly this makeup has worked out throughout this day. Hey guys, so after about 4 hours, the eyeliner, can you guys see? It has started to just wither away. I think I'm going to take off the makeup now. I still don't like the foundation. I don't think I'm going to wear it. I don't like the eyeliner again because it started to kind of remove itself, kind of fade away as such. Plus my eye, this eye is still watery. So I don't know if it's the eyeliner or the mascara. A lot of people, affordable makeup is very difficult to come by. So if you're somebody that likes to shop at Miniso, I would say you should definitely go ahead. But for me, it really matters. Sometimes, you know, if something smells a lot like alcohol, I feel very scared of applying it on my skin because I don't want to damage it. But if you're a student and if you just want to apply makeup like once, then maybe you can try it. But I would still say that go for other options that are available that have less alcohol content, because in the long run your skin is more important. Let's start off with the products that I don't think I would recommend to you guys. I don't think that I would be recommending the foundation. I will use it because I've purchased this, so if I use it in like future videos, don't come for me. But I don't think I can recommend this. It smells heavily of alcohol. I don't really think that's a good thing. It's affordable, yes, but there are a lot of other foundations that don't smell like alcohol that are available in India. So you don't have to go ahead and purchase this because I don't think this is good for you. I'll be very honest. And $490 is not cheap for a foundation, because there are a lot of other foundations that are for 500 rupees and they're still like pretty okay. Another product that I don't think I will recommend to you guys is the lip pencil. It straight up smells like old plastic, and I don't know why it smells like that, but it does. It is nicely colored and it's a really beautiful color and it glides on smoothly, but I don't know the ingredients and it kind of smells funky, so I don't think I can recommend this. I know this sounds really lame, but I'm very, very careful about recommending products. If it does not smell correct, if it does not look correct, if it does not glide on correctly, I cannot recommend this to you guys. So I don't think that this will be recommended. I will still use it though, because it's a beautiful color and I did buy it myself, but I don't think you guys should go ahead and try this. I don't think you will like it. I don't know if yours is going to smell funky, but mine did. So from my point of view, I don't think I can recommend this. Now to the products that I will highly recommend. One of them is the eyeshadow crayon. I really like it for like a very basic makeup look. This is great. It also comes with a brush. So not really a brush, more like a spongy tip. So you can definitely just apply it and blend it with your finger if you like very, very, very basic makeup. It's not highly pigmented. This is not for pro makeup guys. This is definitely for every single day wear if you just want something special, like slightly special. So I really like the eyebrow pencil. It is quite average, I'm not going to lie. But definitely if you're on a budget, you can try this. I think if you have even lightish black hair, you should just stick to the black rather than the brown. The brown is very reddish and it doesn't really look that flattering. As you can tell, it looks odd. So if you are the sort of person that likes a pencil and a powder form, this is a pretty okay product. You can definitely pick it up. And the mascara I really like. I like the upper eyelash brush, but I really like the lower eyelash one. If you guys don't know, I apply mascara on my lower eyelashes since a very long time. The lip lacquer, I feel like this is a beautiful shade. If you're an NC25, just pick it up. It's a very my lips but better sort of a shade, and I quite like it. It's not supposed to be matte. It's supposed to be just like a regular lip gloss that has color, but this is not sticky. So you can definitely pick up. If you do not pick up anything from this, pick up this color, especially this color, 06 Rose. No, what is this? 06 Pale Rose. That's about it. If you have any other questions, you can definitely ask me in the comment section. If you have any other further questions, you can definitely ask me on all of my social media. I am everywhere. Also, let me know what you guys have thought about all the products that I have used in this video, if you have used it. Your comments really help a lot of people out because they can see what I think about the product, but then they can also read what you guys are thinking about the product. So definitely leave your perspective, your reviews of any of the products that I showed in this video. That's it.